Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I over the, I guess you could say 19, what am I talking about? 19, what the hell am I talking about? Okay, over the 2019-2020 transition, if you will, I started evaluating, like, what boxes do you really still want? What boxes would you like to try? What boxes do you maybe want to just add to your routine? So anyways, there's this box. Forgive me already for showing this, but I am a curious bitch, I guess you want to say. So anyway, Trisha Paytas, as you know, some of you might not know, but if you do, as you know, she came out with this box called the Glitter Bitch box, okay? Now, do I like it because it's shiny and it has lips and it says Glitter Bitch? Yeah, not gonna lie, I kind of do. But, $60 bi-monthly, so every 2 months you pay $60, and then you will receive this box from her. So I signed up, and then I immediately, after I knew they were shipping it to me, I canceled just because I didn't want to take the chance of forgetting later if I didn't like it. So I'm going to see what I think about it, and then if I like it, then I'm going to reorder, if that makes sense. I'm kind of doing that now because in the past I would forget and I'd be like, oh shit, I still got this box. So anyway, I'm trying to be smarter in 2020 with my money. So I did order this. This is the one, they actually shipped out the end of December. So I guess it's December, January. Instead of hers being like January, February, March, April, I think it's like December, January, February, March. It's like a weird cycle. But Trisha Paytas is kind of wild. She's kind of out there. Sometimes you dig her, sometimes you don't. There's usually a scandal involved when it comes to Trisha Paytas. I'm not going to hate on the girl. She does what she does. She makes her money, whatever. Do I think this box is cute? Yes. Are we going to get into it and review it? Yes, we are. I'm going to leave it up to you. You tell me what you think in the comments below, okay? All right. Now, the reason I picked to get this for the December, January is because in my mind, in my brain, I tell myself, if I was a subscription box, when would I try to put out the best effort in my box? And it would be Christmas time because that's when all the big sales hit. You know, that's Christmas present time. That's the giving time. And so if I was a subscription box, that's when I would bring the noise. You hear me? I would bring the noise in December. So I figure, let's see if Trisha Paytas brought the noise in December, January. So it will be linked in the description box below. If you want to sign up, please do. If you don't, you don't. I'm not making anything off of it. Again, I have already unsubscribed, but it has nothing to do with the contents, just because I'm trying to be smarter. All right, let's go. So you open it, and then it has her gorgeous, pretty little face, okay? She's very fun. Her makeup, her hair, her outfits, whatever. I think she's pretty fun to watch or whatever. Everybody has a different idea of Trisha Paytas. This really isn't about that. This is about the subscription box. But anyway, there's a sticker on top that says Glitter Bitch. I'll let you see. And then even like the tissue paper says Glitter Bitch. So as far as how it appeals to the eye, I think it's super cute. Keep in mind, this is 60 bucks. So here we go. We got a card in here. So it says, do more of what makes you sparkle. I completely 1000% agree. Says the Glitter Bitch box includes the following goodies. And then it's going to tell me what's in here. And it's going to tell me the price. I do absolutely love that for subscription boxes. I cannot stand when they do not tell you the price and you have to look it up yourself or whatever. So this is good. So let's see if we got our money's worth or what we think of the products. So this is the first thing I see. Now, granted, this was December, January. Do I think this is cute? Yeah. This is, let's see. Holiday Sleigh. Cute. Moisturizing glitter body gel. And the scent is warm sugar cookie. And it says born to sparkle in the USA. That's cute. And then it even has like the to from, so you could gift it to somebody. Obviously the holidays passed, but okay, let me see. I swear I just got soap on the tip of my nose. I'm not getting that smell, but maybe I have to use it more. Like, not use it more, actually use it. But what I can't understand is washing my hands with glitter. So I'm kind of interested in that. I'm definitely going to put it out and we'll try it out. We'll see what happens. But could you imagine washing your hands in glitter? No, not just your hands. Body gel. So your whole body. I don't know. I'd be shiny AF for sure. Okay, so let's see. This is Sunshine and Glitter Holiday Sleigh Body Glitter. It is $18.95. Says shake well, apply liberally onto skin, and glitter on. And I'm sure you will. So I like that it was gold, I think, instead of silver. I don't know. But anyway, we'll see. We'll check it out. We'll check it out. All right. So here's the next item I see in there. And it says Anise Eye Serum Anti-Puffiness Formula. I do love getting eye serums. They're usually very expensive. I don't know about this brand. It has this type of pump. Let's see what it looks like. Wait for it. Wait for it. There we go. And there's really no scent to it. Honestly, like, it smells clean. So let's read about it and get it off my hands. Okay, so Anise Eye Serum, $79. This natural anti-puffiness eye serum formula enriched with botanicals and vitamins help calm and depuff. It says bisabolol, which I don't know what that is, reduces inflammation, while vitamin C and E help return moisture, ward off sun damage, and are essential in the production of collagen. So $79. Again, eye serum, I'm not mad at it. Something like this, I'm not mad at. I think it's cute, but it's probably going to go to one of my daughters, like, you know, they're teenagers. They would like stuff like that. I don't see myself bathing in glitter. Like, I joke that I could bathe in glitter because I love it. But let's be real. It would be a pain in the ass to get out all the cracks and crevices of your body and your sheets. So I would probably try it as the hand wash and just keep it safe, you know? All right. So this is what I see next. This is a set of brushes. And it looks like the bag. I just got so many brushes, guys. I'm like stocked up. So the bag is really cute. It has like glitter. Obviously, glitter bitch, right? And then the brushes are pink. And they have these like sparkly crystal things. This brush actually feels really firm. Yeah, they don't feel like great quality brushes, I'll be honest. Are they cute? Yeah. This is more something I would gift, and I'm not hating on glitter, bitch. That's not my style. I'm just gonna give my honest opinion. This is something I would gift maybe to like somebody starting off with makeup, or if you have like a little girl, niece, something like that, daughter that likes to play with makeup. This is really cute. It's also really cute for decoration for your beauty room. I don't mind it, but would I sit there and be like, oh shit, I got those glitter bitch brushes? No. This is not, I wouldn't use these to blend in my makeup or anything. And that's just being honest, I wouldn't. But I think they're really cute. The package is cute. That's my honest opinion. All right, so the makeup brush set is $12.99. It says this sparkly brush kit provides a perfect and smooth touch with powder, liquid, cream, or foundation without any absorption of product. Again, I wouldn't use it. I like thicker, softer brushes. These are very, like even the fan brush, it's just very thin. I'm not a fan of fan brushes anyway. Well, but anyway, so that's $12.99. Again, I can gift that or something, donate it. I don't know, but it's not something I'm like, yeah, I got brushes. All right, so then here's like a little pink book. Just has lines and it doesn't say anything. Made in China in the back. This closes. Let's see, okay, the pen is separate. Okay, so the notebook, it says $5 retail value. Here's a notebook to write down your New Year's resolutions, a poem, your thoughts and dreams. Here's to an amazing 2020. It's cute. It's pink. That's something I would expect in this box. Not a high-end value, obviously, but it's cute. It's not a... I like the color of it. Here's the next item. So here's the pen. It has one of these guys for your smartphone. And it has those same, like, shiny little crystal things like they had in the makeup brush, but a different shade. And it says Glitter Bitch. So... I'll definitely use the pen. Let's see what color it writes. Okay, so it is a black pen. Yeah, it's a black pen. I don't mind it. Okay, so that's a $3 pen. It says a new year is like a blank book and the pen is in your hands. It is your chance to write a beautiful story for yourself. Okay, then the next item I see in here is this guy. There's a bunch of squigglies. It's white and gold. It's, like I said, the presentation is very pretty. There's even like the pink peanuts in here. But here's this guy. I do really like these things. My makeup brushes are in like these type of containers on my makeup desk. But for travel, these are really good. Or if you're somebody who maybe does makeup for a living and you go from place to place and you got to take your makeup brushes out, I think these are really good and they protect your brushes. So I'm happy to have one of these, and it's pink, so it's cute. Okay, so let's see. It says pink brush container, $9.99. Use this compact and sturdy container to keep your brushes safe while traveling. Then convert it into 2 stylish brush holders when you get to your destination. So basically they're saying pull it apart and let it sit like that because it's 2 different pieces. So this is, excuse me, golly. This is cute. I don't mind it. I think they were definitely trying to put this together, which was smart. Again, the brushes weren't all that. But if you want to give somebody a set who's, like I said, younger or starting out with makeup, that would be really cute. And they'd feel like they were everything. I could just picture like a little 11-year-old girl pulling out her little pink set with her pink brushes and sparkles. I think it's cute, but for an adult, just my honest opinion. All right, so this appears to be the last thing in here. Oh, how much? Did I tell you how much that was? That was $9.99. Okay, then we got this guy. And I'm not going to open this up. I had already heard about this. It says Glitter Bitch all over it. So what it is, let me read about it. But basically, I don't know what they're called, but you know the scarves that are one full circle? So they just go around your head and then you kind of loop them. That's what this is. So it's not like where it comes down with 2 ends. It is connected and you put it on. Would I ever wear a scarf that said Glitter Bitch? No, but I don't wear scarves. Maybe it'd be cute for a video. Who knows? But Would I pass it along to somebody who might like it? Yeah, but I think they went too far putting glitter bitch on the scarf. But that's me. I can see it again for a younger person. So let's see. The pink glitter bitch scarf is $10. It says stay warm and make a statement with the glitter bitch scarf. So, all right. Here's my honest opinion. This is the complete box. Out of this entire box, so we got the scarf. I'm going to pass to one of my kids. I got this. I'm probably going to pass to one of my kids, but it's cute. I mean, everything's cute. It's just not age appropriate, if that makes sense. I am super thrilled to get this. So, I'm excited for this. This is the one thing I think I'm going to keep. This is something I would definitely keep. However, the only reason I'm not is because like I told you, I'm not a traveling makeup artist. I have my makeup brushes on my desk. And so I don't really need something like this. So I put stuff like this in giveaways or give to my kids. And so that's the only reason for that. You can always use a notebook and pen. So that's handy. This, again, I'm not going to keep. I'm going to pass this on to somebody. So my final answer is I feel like Glitter Bitch, for the December, January version, it's made for a teen, like a tween is what I would explain it as. It just seems like very tweenish. And if it's going to be a tween type of box, then obviously it doesn't need to be called Glitter Bitch. So I think just Trisha Paytas, maybe, not that she ever watches my videos or ever will, but my only advice would be to try to put more grown-up items. If you're going to put brushes, I mean, speaking for myself, if I get brushes on a subscription, I'm always excited. But I would rather get one good, great brush than a whole pack of cheap ones, if that makes sense. So, I don't know. So tell me in the comments below, what do you guys think? Is it trash? It is definitely not a $60 box. Definitely not. Will I keep the Glitter Bitch box? Do I think the picture is pretty? Yes, more than likely I will. But most of the stuff in here, honestly, is going to be gifted. But again, that's just giving my honest review. I'm not out here to hate on Trisha Paytas or anybody else. I'm just here to review the box, honey. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, you can't spell Reginald without Gina. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.